Our nice little stream is now flooded. It's going to be cold out here. Do you have fire on you? Huh? Our once little creek is now a, oh, look at the pretty clouds. Oh, the storm clouds. How nice of them. Oh my gosh. Ah! Where are you? Linda. More are coming. Where did Linda go? Yep, and there goes our whatevers. I gotta get some socks and shoes on. Here, take pictures of that while I go get some shoes on. What? I gotta get something on my feet. They're freezing. Just point to wherever you want to get a picture.